I mean, I met a man once.
You met a man.
Yeah.
I haven't. I
Anyway.
just live in a female yeah.
Excuse me, do you want to hear the story?
Not really.
Well, I'm going to tell you the story anyway. I was walking through the Highlands of
Don't
Scotland.
sing. Please don't sing.
I won't sing.
Okay.
And I saw a man,
Yeah.
and he came up to me, he said, "Excuse me." I don't know, you know. He said, "Excuse me,
Yeah.
do you know what England is?" And I said to him, "I do, sir. I know where England is." And he said, "Do you mind telling me?"
Yeah.
And I said, "Aye, sir. I will tell you. If you need to know where to go, I will tell you."
How come you keep on sounding like you're from the deep south?
I don't. I'm from Scotland. Why don't you believe me when I say that I'm from Scotland? Anyway,
you were
there
telling
was
this man.
yeah, and he said, "Oh, can you tell me where in England is there, please?" I said, "Aye, that I can."
Mhm.
And I said, "You just keep on walking, sir. You just keep on walking until you meet the river." And he did.
And he drowned.
No, he didn't. No, he didn't. There was a bridge by the river,
Right.
and he walked over the river, and
You mean over the bridge, over the water?
oh yeah, he walked over the bridge.
He didn't walk over water. He's not Jesus.
Anyway, he walked over the bridge, and he got to England in the end. He travelled for 5 days and 4 nights, and he got there in the end. He sent me a postcard of London, because he walked all the way to London in the end.
I want to go to London.
No, you don't.
Why not?
That's where the prostitutes go. Lots of prostitutes in London.
I'd never heard of the London prostitutes.
I have.
Because you're from Scotland.
I'm from Scotland.
That's all you ever talk about, London
No,
prostitutes.
I'll tell you something. One day, across the border into Scotland
Yeah.
from England,
Yeah.
and then I crossed it back again.
Yeah.
Yeah, just for the fun of it.
Yeah. You're like skipping across it.
So
Yeah.
here I was in England, yeah. And so I saw a girl, and I said to this guy, I said,
Do
"Hey."
you realise London isn't like by the border of
Yeah,
England?
I do realise. I know where London is.
You should
So
do.
I'm
You
from
took geography.
No, I'm from Scotland.
Yeah, but you took geography
I
too.